Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Ever wondered why your skin doesn't glow like those Insta filters despite all the effort you put in? You see those flawless airbrushed complexions online and think, how do they do it? Is it just me? Or do you also feel like you're constantly chasing the next miracle product, no matter how many creams you try? Serums, masks, exfoliants, the list goes on and on. Well, what if I told you the real secret to radiant, healthy skin isn't in a bottle or jar, but is actually hiding in plain sight right in your kitchen? That's right, not your bathroom shelf. Forget the expensive treatments and complicated routines for a moment. Glowing skin starts from within, and that starts with what you eat. It's about nourishing your body with the right nutrients. Today, I'm sharing 6 simple, science-backed Indian foods, ingredients that have been used for centuries. Everyday superfoods you can easily add to your meals to boost your skin's health and overall well-being. Get ready to unlock the secrets to that healthy glow naturally. So grab your aprons and let's dive in. First up, Amla, a true gem in the world of natural beauty and wellness. We're diving deep into the incredible benefits of this amazing fruit. Also known as Indian gooseberry, it's been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine. It's absolutely loaded with vitamin C, a vital nutrient for overall health and especially for radiant skin. In fact, it contains way more vitamin C than oranges, making it an exceptional choice for boosting your skin's natural radiance. This high concentration of vitamin C makes it a powerhouse for brightening skin, diminishing blemishes, and boosting collagen production, which is essential for maintaining youthful elasticity. One simple way to enjoy Amla is to mix Amla powder with honey. You can also add it to salads for a tangy and nutritious boost. Or, if you prefer, simply sip a small glass of juice, a quick and refreshing way to reap its benefits. There are so many easy ways to get your daily dose of this incredible fruit. Incorporate it into your diet and skincare routine. Beyond its beauty benefits, Amla also supports immunity, helping your body fight off illness and stay strong. It also aids digestion, promoting a healthy gut, and contributes to strong and lustrous hair health. Just a little every day, whether it's a small piece of the fruit, a spoonful of powder, or a shot of juice. This simple addition to your routine can help you achieve that coveted lit-from-within glow, making your skin look and feel its best. So next time you see Amla at the market, don't hesitate. Grab some. Your skin will thank you for this natural and effective boost. It's a small investment for a big return in radiance and overall well-being. Spinach or palak is packed with iron, folate, and vitamins A and E, nutrients that hydrate and repair your skin. Add it to dal, blend into smoothies, or knead into paratha dough for a sneaky nutrition boost. Spinach improves blood circulation, helping nutrients reach your skin cells. It's affordable, available everywhere, and a must for plump, happy skin. Don't skip it on your next grocery run. Coconut water, a natural elixir, is more than just a refreshing drink. It's a powerhouse of hydration, packed with electrolytes and essential nutrients that your body craves. It hydrates from within, replenishing lost fluids and revitalizing your system. Think of it as an internal spa treatment, working its magic from the inside out. Beyond simple hydration, coconut water aids in flushing out toxins, helping your body cleanse itself naturally. It supports kidney function and promotes overall well-being. And the best part? It gives your skin a dewy look, enhancing your natural radiance. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to a healthy, vibrant complexion. Sip it on hot days to beat the heat and stay refreshed. It's a much healthier alternative to sugary drinks and artificial sweeteners. Or reach for it after workouts to replenish electrolytes lost through sweat. It's the perfect natural sports drink. It's a guilt-free indulgence for a natural refresh any time of day. But the magic of coconut doesn't stop there. Coconut oil isn't just for cooking, it's a versatile beauty secret. Use it as a gentle night moisturizer to nourish and hydrate your skin while you sleep. Wake up to soft, soothed skin, feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Coconut is a staple in Indian kitchens, a testament to its versatility and health benefits. It's more than just an ingredient. It's a tradition, connecting us to our roots and self-care rituals. Treat yourself to coconut in all its forms. Your skin and soul will thank you for embracing this natural gift. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A for cell renewal and a healthy glow. Grate them into salads, blend into juice, or enjoy gajar ka halwa with jaggery for a skin-friendly treat. Carrots also help protect against sun damage and pollution. Add a little to your meals daily for fresher, more radiant skin. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and sunflower seeds are packed with omega-3s, vitamin E, and zinc, perfect for supple, glowing skin. Snack on a handful, sprinkle on salads, or mix into dough for an easy nutrition boost. These healthy fats lock in moisture and support hair and nail health too. Just a small handful daily can make a big difference. Turmeric, or haldi, is legendary for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powers, brightening skin and clearing up acne. Add a pinch to your cooking or enjoy haldi dude at night for soothing, healing benefits. For a DIY mask, mix turmeric with honey and yogurt, just don't overdo it. Turmeric is gentle, natural, and connects us to centuries of self-care. Embrace the golden glow. A little haldi goes a long way. There you have it, 6 Indian foods that can transform your skin from the inside out. Glowing skin isn't about perfection, it's about small, nourishing choices every day. Share this video, subscribe to Glownest, and let's glow together. Your journey to radiant skin starts in your kitchen. Keep glowing.